Remember, because it's made from the whole grain bran germ, and all it holds onto a lot of rice's natural nutrition. It's a good source of manganese, vitamin B6, and magnesium. It's also rich in antioxidants, especially powerful ones like peonidin and cyanidin. But there's a catch: the arsenic found in brown rice is concentrated in the bran and germ, so it's still present in the flour. You definitely don't want to overdo it. This isn't too hard though, since brown rice flour works best when blended with other flours anyway. Overall, I'd say it's a bit below average for a whole grain flour. So I'm putting brown rice flour in the B tier next. We have its counterpart, white rice flour. It's also average in calories but has a pretty lame micronutrient profile. White rice is just the endosperm, which makes it easier to digest for those with sensitive stomachs, and it does have less arsenic than brown rice, but that's where the good news ends. In almost every other whey protein, fiber, glycemic index, vitamins, and minerals, it's just disappointing. But white rice flour is one of those flours that desperately needs to be mixed with another, not just for better texture, but to give it some actual substance. I suppose it's not completely useless, so I'll put white rice flour in the D tier. Alright, let's talk about rye flour. This is an average calorie flour with a solid micronutrient profile. It's simply made from ground rye kernels. Rye flour is a great source of manganese and is one of the highest in fiber, mostly insoluble fiber. This is fantastic for digestive health, regulating blood sugar, and helping you feel full and satisfied. It's also packed with antioxidants like various phenolic acids and lignans, and it boasts a lower glycemic index than most other flours, including wheat. You can even bake with 100% rye flour, though your creations will be on the denser side. Overall, rye flour is a staple choice. It's going straight into the A tier for me.